Meet the OMS Bundle, designed to simplify intercom management from day one to showtime. Configure faster, stay in control, and monitor your system in real time with one streamlined workflow.
You think it's time to stop complicating intercom systems, especially when you just want it to be plug and play without the extra level of complexity. We have put together the new OMS RTS Bundle Kit to make that simple and easy to configure. This is targeted at house of worship, corporate AV events, also collegiate and high school theater, or any venue or application where you just need simple, basic intercom communications. We start with the kit. It comes with everything you need. We have an OMS Advanced Base Station, 4 belt packs, 5 headsets, 1 for the main station, 1 for each of the belt packs, as well as the MCP 90-12 gooseneck microphone. To connect the system, very simple and easy. You need to provide a PoE-enabled switch, and network cabling is the only thing that does not come with the bundle. So I'll walk you through the connection process real quick here. Okay, so on the front of the OMS unit, hit the menu button. That will bring up the main navigation window. With the encoder, navigate to the green tile, press the encoder once, go to ports, select the encoder once more. That will take you into the Connect Devices menu. The very left icon, go ahead and click one more time on the encoder. And this will show you a list of all the available devices that are on the network. I simply go to Connect All, hit the encoder one more time to connect to my devices. So get to the Connect All menu and simply tap the encoder one more time. Go ahead and go to Yes, select one more time, and it will auto-connect the belt packs. You'll see the displays connect with their positions. You'll see the tiles go to yellow instead of the blue. Now the only thing left to do is to plug in your PH88 headset, and we'll plug that into the back of the digital belt pack. Once you've inserted that into the belt pack, you'll see that the icon goes away. The pack is now ready for use. Go ahead and do that to the remaining 3 belt packs on the system, and your system is ready to go. You have 4 individual party lines. Simply hit the A, B, C, or D button to talk on those, and you're ready to go. So once again, this is the OMS 4 bundle kit, also available in 8 belt pack kit. Make things simple, easy for all your uses.